Hi everybody, it's Tim at EngineFactory.com. I just finished building this beautiful 427 Ford 540 horsepower version for a customer's 1965 Cobra CSX. Go over some of the highlights on the engine build here. We started with a brand new Dart Block 4-bolt main block, double roller timing chain in there, roller lifter cam, all forged steel internals, Edelbrock Victor Jr. American-made aluminum heads, roller rocker arms, 427 Cobra valve covers, Edelbrock intake, the Holley Sniper EFI systems on there, throttle cable ball, throttle return spring. Every engine is live run for 45 minutes. All the settings are set. The ignition timing is set. The Sniper EFI fuel injection is all dialed in. The menu screen is all set. Pretty much plug and play. Every engine, you'll get a video of your engine running in the stand, photos sent to you of the entire engine build sent to you. That's the difference here. We do it very personalized, every engine for you. So you have the, this customer wanted the alternator only for the Cobra. We put the heavy duty 140 amp chrome alternator on there, one wire hookup, very simple. 8 rib serpentine belt, heavy duty belt. Belt tensions all set, aligned. Proper thermostat housing on there. The thermostat's installed. So it's all ready to go. So when you're ready to buy, give us a call, 1-800-326-6554, or send us an email at info@enginefactory.com. Thanks for watching.